Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. We are looking at multiple choice questions. Today let us look at a question from physics, especially from laboratory physics. The question is about the experiment on thermionic emission, and the question is, what is the process of thermionic emission? And the options are: option A, emission of electrons from a metal surface when a high frequency light shines on it; B, emission of electrons from a metal surface when it is heated to a sufficient temperature; C, emission of electrons from a metal surface due to a strong electric field applied to it; and D, emission of electrons from a metal surface by bombardment of high speed particles. So you can take a moment, pause the video, choose your answer, and then resume watching it again. So I'm sure you have been able to answer it, and the answer is option B, emission of electrons from a metal surface when it is heated to a sufficient temperature. So basically in this experiment you have a metal filament, cathode, and it is heated to a high temperature, and the thermal energy causes free electrons within the metal to gain enough energy so that they can overcome the binding forces holding them in the material. So when the thermal energy exceeds the work function of the material, electrons are released from the surface into the vacuum, and so you can call them thermions. And a nearby positively charged anode attracts these emitted electrons, creating an electric current that can be measured, because when you are doing the experiment you need to measure it, and of course then you plot graphs, etc. You can make use of Richardson-Dushman equation, where the rate of thermionic emission is described, how it increases with the temperature, right? So thank you.